Hi, I am Apurva from ClearTax. In this video, let us discuss the TDS applicable on rental property owned by a non-resident Indian, that is NRI. As per the general practice followed in India, taxpayers deduct tax at source on rent they pay subject to certain conditions. Further, the tax deducted at source will be deposited with the IT department with reference to TAN, and a form will be issued to the landlord stating the tax deducted and the actual rent paid. Similar to Indian residents, NRIs also invest in properties in India and let them out for rent. Let us understand if the same tedious procedure applies in this case as well. First of all, let us see who can be considered as NRIs. An individual who is of Indian origin or a citizen of India but not a resident of India is known as an NRI. The residential status of an individual will be determined under Section 6 of the Income Tax Act. According to the section, an individual is a resident of India if he satisfies one of the following conditions. 1. If he has resided in India for a minimum period of 182 days during the previous year. 2. If he has resided in India for a minimum period of 60 days during the previous year and a minimum of 365 days during 4 immediately preceding years. In this regard, an NRI is an individual who does not satisfy any of the above criteria. Note that there may be changes to this section due to COVID-19 pandemic and the nationwide lockdown. Next up is the tedious provisions applicable when renting an NRI property. Budget 2017 stated that tenants paying rent on properties owned by NRIs are required to deduct 31.2% tax at source and deposit the aggregate amount with the tax authorities. Upon payment, the tenant must fill in Form 15CA and submit it online to the Income Tax Department. In the case of an NRI landlord, TDS is mandatory on rent paid irrespective of the amount payable. Further, the tax rate of 31.2% is applicable unless the NRI landlord has a certificate stating that his total income from India is below the basic exemption limit. A certificate from NRI landlord received under Section 197 would require the deductor to deduct a lower TDS as specified by the assessing officer. How to deduct tax on rent? 1. Tenants must get a tax account number TAN via the NSDL website. The link to the website is given in the description. 2. Once the TAN is received, tenants can deduct tax every month and pay the remaining amount to the landlord. 3. TDS on rent paid in this calendar month must be deposited with the IT department by the 7th of the following calendar month. 4. Pay TDS on time, otherwise it attracts prosecution under Section 276B. That is, imprisonment ranging from 3 months up to 7 years. Failure to deduct tax from the rent paid to an NRI landlord may attract a penalty equal to the tax not deducted under Section 271C of the Income Tax Act. Prosecution is not applicable in this case. Here is an illustration for better understanding. Consider that Mr. N is an NRI and owns a residential property in the outskirts of New Delhi. He has let out the property to Mr. and Mrs. Sharma for a monthly rent of Rs 8,000. When Mr. Sharma interacted with Mr. N for negotiating the rent, he got to know that the latter is an NRI. Once Mr. Sharma started paying rent, he started deducting 31.2% from the agreed upon rent and deposited it in his TAN. Mr. Sharma's family moved in to the house in the month of June 2019. When he paid the rent for the month of June 2019 on 1 July 2019, he deducted Rs 2,496 from the rent and deposited this amount within 7 August 2019 to his tax account online. The remaining sum of Rs 5,504 is transferred to the landlord's account via electronic transfer. How to file TDS returns in this case? Tenants must file returns within a month from the end of each quarter for TDS paid on rent to an NRI landlord. For example, you must file TDS returns by 31 July 2021 for TDS on rent paid for April, May and June 2021. Besides, the tenant must provide a TDS certificate by way of Form 16A to the landlord within 15 days from the due date for filing quarterly TDS returns. So, that was about TDS on rent paid to an NRI landlord. Please click the link in the description for more information. Thank you.